Good morning, students. Happy morning to all. This is the program of BCom, subject Corporate Law, semester 3rd semester, University, Davangere University, session 40. In the Model 4 of Corporate Meetings, provisional and procedural of conducting meeting agenda. In the previous class, we discussed about the procedures, objectives and functions of extraordinary general meeting. Learning objectives. It helps the students to know the procedure for conducting the meetings. Session outcomes. In this session, students are clearly understand the concept of procedure for conducting the meetings. Meeting of the agenda. Meaning of meeting agenda. In its simplest form, an agenda sets out the list of items to be discussed at a meeting. It should be include the purpose of the meeting, the order in which items are to be discussed. The meeting achieves its purpose. Definition of meeting agenda. It gives the attendees prior notice of what will be discussed. It sets clear expectations for what needs to occur before and during a meeting. It keeps the participants focused on the topic at hand. It sets the pace of the meeting. It acts as a time management tool. Functions of meeting agenda. It helps potential attendees decide whether they need to attend. It helps invitees to prepare for the meeting. It provides a structure for the meeting. It allows the chair to control the meeting. It gives a way in which the meeting's success can be judged. How to set an agenda? There are in general 6 broad areas to be covered in an agenda. First one, linguistics, objectives, housekeeping, items, any other business, close. Once again, linguistics, objective, housekeeping, items, any other business, close. General types of meetings. Status update meetings, information sharing meetings, decision making meetings, problem solving meetings, innovation meetings, team building meetings. Once again, status update meetings, information sharing meetings, decision making meetings, problem solving meetings, innovation meetings, team building meetings. Agenda format. Name and purpose of the meeting, start and finish times for the meeting, venue of the meeting, date, member and guest involvement, time limit on each agenda item, name of person leading discussion on particular agenda items, other businesses. Once again, name and purpose of the meeting, start and finish times of the meeting for the meeting, venue of the meeting, date, member and guest involvement, time limit on each agenda item, name of person leading discussion on particular agenda items, other businesses. Purpose of an agenda. Serves as a roadmap for the meeting. It keeps meeting on track. It provides an outline for the meeting. that is how long to stay on a topic. It can be used as a checklist to ensure all information covered. It lets the participants know what will be the discussed. It acts as a roadmap. It is a track. It provides an outline. It is like a checklist, and the lets all the participants must be discussed. Next, 5 fast tips for preparing a board meeting agenda. First one, determine the goals of the meeting. Next, identify agenda items for the meeting. Next, organize the agenda. Next, give our advance directions. Conform to the agenda. Importance of agenda for meetings. In importance, advanced communication, meeting objective, engaging the members, time management tool. Now this is an end of the session. That is the goal of the agency meeting is twofold. First, to show the agenda, to show the agent that you are a talented professional who will work hard alongside her to move your career forward. And second one, to decide whether this particular agenda and agency are good or a good fit for your team. Once again, the goal of the agency meeting is twofold. First, to show the agent that you are a talented professional who will work hard alongside her to move your career forward. And second, to decide whether this particular agent agent and agency are a good fit for your team. So thank you to one and all.